Hello guys, this is the Infinix Hot 11S NFC that was just released in Indonesia at November the 9th, 2021. This is the box, nice black box with a picture of Mobile Legends character on it. It says Infinix Hot 11S NFC. At this side we can see also Hot 11S NFC. At this side too. The color is polar black. Yes, Infinix. And this is some specification of this smartphone. Memory 64 GB and 4 GB of RAM. Connectivity GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Battery capacity 5000 mAh. Operating system Android 11. Front camera 8 megapixel with dual flashlight and rear camera 50 megapixel, 2 megapixel plus IA lens. AI triple camera with quad flashlight. Processor Helio G88. Network 4G, 3G, 2G. And display 6.78-inch Full HD plus punching display. Resolution 1080 x 2460. The sensor, G sensor, E compass, light sensor, proximity sensor, side fingerprint, and soft gyroscope, and also NFC of course. The refresh rate is 90 Hz and support fast charging of 18 watt. So let's see inside what can we get inside this box. Okay, this is the unit. Let's get rid of it first. Okay, we can see here this is the charger with 18 watt output, and the data cable type C. It colors orange. Pin ejector, SIM tray ejector tools. The guarantee card. And the guide to use it. We got look like $1 bill. Welcome to join X Club. And we got the screen protector here. Screen protector and the soft case, of course. Infinix always give us case. Okay, that's all in it, all in the box. Right now let's see the unit. So this is the smartphone, the unit. Infinix Hot 11S NFC G88 Helio G88 dual chip processor, 90 Hz, 6.78 Full HD plus punch hole display, 50 megapixel, wide aperture, triple camera, 18 watt type C and 18 watt supercharge, and NFC pay, of course. Okay, let's see it. Okay. Well, this is the back. The back is made of plastic with glossy finish. You can stitch your fingerprint easily on it, and it had vertical pattern on it. This is the camera module. The camera module is rectangle shape. At the top we have a big black circle where the main camera placed on it. In it, yes, and two other camera, and the LED flash with 4 LED light, and another black round with writing of 50 megapixel ultra night camera. I think the design is pretty catchy, right? This one just look like the Note series, I think, rather than the Hot 11S itself. So at the side, this side we have the volume button and the power button that also function as the fingerprint sensor. And at the other side we have the SIM tray. Let's see the SIM tray first. Okay, it can fit 2 SIM and 1 memory card. At the top, there's a writing of the future is now, even it's a bit difficult to see it. And at the bottom, we have the audio jack, the microphone, the charging port that already Type C, and the speaker grill. Okay, this is the front. Let's turn it on first. Okay, this is the front side. You can see the screen, 6.7x screen, Full HD plus with 90 Hz refresh rate. The punch hole camera. But if we open when it on a white background, we can see some shadow at the edge of the screen, especially between the front camera and the upper edge of the screen. You can see this, yeah, and this. Okay, it also had front flashlight right here, and it will turn on when you charge the phone. Okay, let's see here. The Android is Android 11. It has 5000 mAh battery, and to charge it from 0 to 100% it takes time of 1 hour and 40 minutes, and it can last for 2 days, the battery, on daily use, of course. And the camera, we have 50 megapixel main camera, depth sensor of 2 megapixel, and AI lens, and also front camera 8 megapixel. Let's see the menu of the camera. We have short video, AI cam, beautiful mode, portrait, and super night mode. And also when we slide it up, you get air shot, slow motion, panoramic mode, and document, and time lapse. This is the front menu. You can slide it like this, or you can slide it up and down. This is the application that we just used. At the top, we can see it. Okay, what else? Oh yeah, it can act as a hotspot, and also can connect through USB to a PC or a laptop, and it will become like function like a modem. You can also transmit to another gadget, or maybe television. Can connect, also print, also have NFC, of course. Okay, that's it for now. I hope it may give some information for you. Thank you for watching.